Hi everyone, Bob here. Okay, this exercise is about macro recording. Macro recording is about recording whatever activity or steps you are doing, and it will record in the VBA or Visual Basic Applications. The steps could include typing text or numbers or making any calculations on the sheet. So whatever you have done, the macro will capture and remember them. Then as you run the macro, the things that you have recorded will be played back and pasted to location that you want to run the recorded activities. This is actually an advantage, especially if you're creating a huge report or a spreadsheet. You don't have to repeat the exercise all over again. That will save you lots of time, effort, and also avoid mistakes. This exercise that we're making is about preparing a 10-year plan or budget, taking into account a year-on-year 10% increment. A very simple exercise for your practice, okay? So I got cost center here that I have created, and also sample of amount per quarter and then year total. I'm gonna be basing our calculations from current year 2021. Okay. Then after we have recorded the macro, we're going to run the macro on year 1, 2022, year 2, 2023, 2024, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and year 10, 2031. Okay, this is where we're gonna run our macro. So first thing first, we're gonna record our macro. Okay, so you go to the developer tab, then don't forget to use relative references because the the year one that we're gonna record is we're gonna copy it to year two exactly the same. Okay, ranges of cell. So we have to use relative references. Okay, as we have studied in the past. And then we're gonna record the macro now. Record macro. Okay, macro name will come out, suggested name, but we're gonna use our own name. Let's say 10-year. Don't put any space no in your names because otherwise the computer will not accept it. So 10 years plan. You can actually put underscore no, if you want to. And then um, on our shortcut key, control plus, we can say R. We use R. Okay. We're going to save it in this, store the macro in this workbook. Okay. This workbook. You can actually use new workbook, personal macro book, but we're going to store the macro in this workbook. Then, okay, you can also write the description. Let's just say 10 years to describe our macro, 10 years plan with, we can say that 10% year on year. We just make shortcuts on year on year increment. Okay, I think that will be enough to describe our macro. Right, then click OK. So you have to start the recording from right here, no? Okay, equal sign, we're gonna multiply, then we're gonna multiply it by, get this number, multiply it by times 1.1 because we're gonna add 10% on our plan year on year, okay? 10% increment year on year. Then we're gonna copy it to quarter 4 and then copy it down for the rest of the cost center. Then get the total. Go back to home. Then get the auto sum. Okay, already suggested the range. Just click. Then copy it down. Copy it down. Okay. Right. Then we're gonna put our cursor here because when we run the macro, the macro will automatically position on that area, and then you can press or you can run the macro. Okay, so we stop the recording now, go back to developer, then stop recording. Okay, let's see if we got it right. See, we're gonna run the macro now. We go to the macros here, and we have the 10-year plan. Then click run to test whether we have it. We have it. Okay, okay. That's okay. I think it's okay. Then run again. Now we're gonna use the shortcut key. Remember the shortcut key, Control R. Okay, Control R, Control R, Control R. Year 7, year 8, year 9. See, very quick when you're using macro. Okay, it's very quick. This is the use of macro, you know, to save you effort, save you time when you're doing, especially when the report or the plan is really huge, a spreadsheet, and then you are doing repetitive work. Okay, same formula over and over. So use macro recording. Okay, so that's what we have it. Now, actually, you can also create a button for the macro. Okay, go to the insert here, click button, put the button right here. Then you assign a macro like this one. We only have macro, one macro anyway, so no other options. Okay. Then edit text. We can say 10 years. Make it simple. This is just sample. How to create the button. Okay. Click outside. You can actually click this. Okay, before you do that, okay, we'll delete this, no? Year 1, remember year 1, okay? Then we click the button. Okay? It has created the year 1. Okay? It has run into the year 1 area. Okay? Delete again. Okay? So this is okay. So we just cut this one. Anyway, I have already prepared the button for you. Okay. If you have one button, if it is a very long sheet, okay, you keep on coming back, no? Okay, coming back to the top to get to the button. That's why what I did here, I already assigned a button to each year. So you don't have that. You will find out, okay? But first thing first, we're gonna delete all the data here to pick another exercise. Okay. We're only doing this for the exercise, no? In actual work, we don't want to delete our work, right? So I think we missed this one, the last row. Okay. And then click, okay, where this is taking us longer because this is an exercise, this is a training. So we actually don't have to work to do this in our actual work. Okay, we have done the run the macro already and then delete it again, just to show you the easiest thing to do when you have button in each area, especially when you have a very long planning or report. Okay, delete this one again. Okay, and the last one, yes. Now, see, I already assigned a macro for this one previously, so you don't have to assign macro. Okay, I already show you before my demonstration how to create the macro. So you just click the first year. Okay, see, the cursor went to the next one already because that's where we stop our recording. Okay, already calculated the first year, second year, third year. All you have to do is just click the 6th year, click the 7th year. Very quick. That's the advantage of using the macro when you have a longer plan or report, okay, which is repetitive in nature. You're doing the same thing over and over. So you're just wasting your time and effort. And also, the macro will avoid any mistakes that you're going to do. No? So it has recorded everything. So that's how you do the macro recording. All right. Okay. I hope you like this exercise. Okay. If you do, you subscribe and share. Okay. Until next of my video. Thank you for now. Bye.